Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over how to change a PS3 Slim hard drive. First, let's go over what's needed. All that's needed is a Phillips screwdriver and a 2.5 inch 5400 RPM hard drive, which is basically a common laptop hard drive. So before we get started, we need to make sure that the PS3 is not connected to power. This is where the power hooks up, so we just verify that the cord is out of it. Next, we flip over the PlayStation, and there's a little clip. You can use your fingernail to bring up the clip, and it's connected, so it just slides over like that. You can see the Phillips screw inside. So we take our screwdriver, and we take out the screw. Now our front little clip will move over and out. Now you can see the hard drive case, and you just flip up this little spring and pull the hard drive out. Now we need to remove this case from the hard drive. It's 4 Phillips screws. Once it's done, the hard drive will slide up and out. We can take our new hard drive and put it in the same way. And the holes will line up to put our screws back in. Now that our hard drive is firmly in the holder, we flip it upside down and we put it right back into the PlayStation. And we put our little faceplate back on. And put our screw back in. Clip down, and now you have successfully changed your hard drive, and you can hook it back up to power, and the PlayStation will format the drive, and you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching.